Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below, smash it, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. So today I am by myself at home, so I figured I'd do like a quick little video with you guys. I'm making dinner for myself and I'm making vegan pad thai. Now, I'm not technically making it vegan because I'm adding some chicken to it, but if you can do it without the chicken, it's vegan. So we're gonna make vegan, gluten-free pad thai with chicken added. So don't come at me if you're saying that this isn't vegan because it technically is. I'm just adding chicken to it, which is not vegan, clearly. How many times can I say vegan in one sentence? But anyways, this is off of Pinterest, this recipe. So I have to pull it up on my phone. I've made this before so many times. I've actually started making this when I was in grad school, and I would make it for myself and just like meal prep it for the week because it makes a good amount of food. So I'm gonna grab all of our ingredients. There's quite a few ingredients, but a lot of them is like stuff you already have in your pantry. So that helps out a lot. I'm gonna grab them all and then we'll get started. Okay, so I got all my ingredients out. What you want is broccoli, stir-fry rice noodles, olive oil, chicken breasts, garlic cloves, green onions. I'm not gonna use green onions. Soy sauce, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, tomato paste, lime, garlic powder, crushed red pepper flakes. I just did that briefly, but I'm gonna leave the link to this down below. I have a pot boiling for my rice noodles, so we already got that going. Then you have to steam your broccoli. So I got frozen broccoli this time. I usually do not do frozen broccoli for this, but broccoli in the store did not look that great, so I just got frozen. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave to steam it and get that situated. Okay, so I'm just popping that in the microwave for like 4-ish minutes and see what happens. Then we're going to put our chicken into our pot or a pan. You want a decent sized pan for this because this is a lot of food. Even though I'm only making it for myself, it's still a lot. Because I want leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So we're gonna drizzle some olive oil in there. You wanna cook your chicken next. If you're using, it says you can use, actually in this recipe, it says if you want, you can use like vegan chicken or vegetarian chicken, but I'm just subbing out for normal chicken because I really want that protein today. Even though I didn't work out, I still want the protein. I've been slacking on my working out game these days, but my Peloton is coming. I ordered one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I used to be super into spin classes, and since lockdown or quarantine, I haven't been able to go to spin classes, and so we finally cracked and bought a Peloton, and so it's supposed to be coming in November, which is a bummer because that's gonna be in like 5 weeks. So if you guys want a review on that, I actually really want to do a video of like me trying it out for a month and seeing like my thoughts on it. So like this video and leave a comment down below if you want to see something like that, and even if you don't, I'm probably gonna still do it because that's fun. I think that's great. So look out for that coming. It's gonna be down the line just because it's gonna take a little while for it to get here. But I kind of want to do more videos like that. I want to do more like lifestyle stuff. It's fun. I enjoy those types of videos. So I'm gonna add in some garlic. I just use the minced garlic from the store. It's way easier than like mincing it yourself. I'm very lazy in that aspect. So I'm just gonna pop some garlic in. Now, my fall decor is already coming out. This towel is very dirty. But it says, if the shoe fits. I mean, I think we all know what that means. So we're gonna pop this chicken in just to get that going and cooking. While it's cooking, I'm gonna do this the quick way because once the noodles are done, you wanna do this like super quickly. So we're gonna grab a bowl. You wanna do your sauce. So for the sauce, you're gonna use, again, apple cider vinegar. You're gonna use soy sauce, gluten-free soy sauce, and I really like tamari. I think it's a lot less salty than like gluten-free soy sauce. And then brown sugar, which I have like a huge thing of brown sugar right here. And tomato paste and lime. So we're gonna get all of that started. We're good to go with the broccoli. I'm gonna leave that off to the side. Do any of you, this is like reminded me, do any of you, ooh, I might not want to put it there because it's steaming. We're gonna put it over here. Do any of you remember the song Broccoli? I can like remember it so clearly. My boyfriend and I had just started dating. We were out and I just brought up the fact that there was a song, like we were with our friends, and called Broccoli, and I remember him walking up to the bartender and just be like, hey, can you play the song Broccoli? I don't know what the song is. And the place just like blasted it on the speakers. It was so funny. One of like my favorite memories from that like time was him doing that. So we're gonna make the sauce next. So everything is like 1/4 cup, almost. You need 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I usually just eyeball these things, but tonight I'm gonna actually measure for the first time ever. You need a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of tomato paste. So I got like the squeezy tube kind. You want a tablespoon of this. Again, this is such an easy recipe, and it's like once everything is done, it comes together in like no time. So it's a great, like, again, meal prep. I'm really big on meal prepping these days for like lunches throughout the week. So I actually might be filming some of those recipes too in the near future. We need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. I think 4 tablespoons is 1/4 cup. I could be totally wrong on that actually. Maybe that's completely incorrect. So we're just gonna do like 1, 2, and like a little bit more. And we'll see how it tastes. You need garlic powder. For garlic powder, I love garlic, even though we have garlic in the pan right now. It says maybe 1/8 teaspoon. I'm not doing 1/8. I'm doing more than that. Probably like 1/4 of a teaspoon. Lime juice. I don't have fresh limes today, so I'm cheating. I'm gonna do the concentrate. So 1 second. Does anyone else have like all of the TikTok songs like stuck in their head? Because I do. It's really annoying. It's like all I can sing to myself lately. So we have our sauce. I'm gonna bring you guys over and check all this stuff out. It's a mess over here. But cooking is messy. Cooking is messy. I just smacked myself in the face. But cooking is messy. You're gonna make a little bit of a mess. It's just bound to happen. I mean, I have oil splatters all over my stove that we have to clean up all the time. It's just a way things work. All right, so here is our sauce. We got that working. We have our chicken here. I'm gonna use these noodles. These noodles are really easy. You pop them in and like they're done in like 10 minutes. You take them off the stove or off the heat and they're done really fast. So we're waiting on our water to boil, which is still going, probably another minute or two, and then we'll add it all together. So yeah. Alrighty, so we have our noodles that are gonna go on in. I put the broccoli in here already. So you have your broccoli, I'm gonna pop that right there. You have your broccoli, your chicken, now your noodles. So I'm gonna give this a quick little stir, and then I'm gonna add the sauce in. The noodles took like 9 minutes, not long at all. So I think this has taken me a total of like less than a half an hour to make. So now we're gonna pop that sauce in. I'm gonna pop up the heat a little bit. And now this all has to incorporate together for like 1 to 2 minutes. And then we're ready to eat. This is looking so good. I'm gonna bring you guys in because it's ready. We're ready to go. So this is what we are working with. Look at all of that yumminess. The sauce is gonna be delicious. The noodles like soaked it up so well. So yeah, let's pop this in a plate and try it together. Now I have a heaping bowl of it here. Probably too much, you know, for me, but who's here to judge me? No one. So let's give it a little bite. It's so good. The lime gives it like a perfect little zing. It tastes delicious. The sauce gets like really creamy and thick, and it sticks to everything perfectly. I highly recommend you guys check this out. I'm about to go watch more Netflix, eat the rest of this, and just chill for the rest of the night. If you guys like these types of videos, I love making them. They're super easy and fun because I like to cook basically every night. And so if you're interested, please comment down below on what you want to see next. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Gosh, that's good.